Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Today we're talking about a critical shift in the automotive industry: software-defined vehicles. This technology has already revolutionized the way electric cars are designed and built, but it's still a challenge for legacy automakers to catch up. Many of these companies have spent decades developing their own proprietary systems, often with siloed approaches that prioritize stability over innovation. But the success stories are clear. Tesla, Rivian, and Chinese automakers like BYD have shown that software-defined vehicles can be both desirable and profitable. What's holding back the rest? Well, for one, it's a matter of culture. Engineers at GM, Ford, and Toyota have been conditioned to think of software as a problem to be solved, rather than a design to be experienced. They need to change their approach, merging development philosophies that balance safety with speed and creativity. And then, there's the issue of legacy bloat. Automakers are often forced to maintain old systems alongside new ones, which can make it difficult to innovate without sacrificing performance or reliability. But companies like BMW and Mercedes are pushing forward with their own software-defined vehicle initiatives, and will be keeping a close eye on how they progress. The VW-Rivian deal is another example of the industry's willingness to collaborate and share knowledge. By pooling resources and expertise, these companies hope to accelerate their own development timelines and create more affordable, upgradable EVs for consumers. But it's not just about cost savings. Software-defined vehicles also offer a more seamless user experience. Imagine being able to update your car's software remotely without having to visit a dealership or wait for hours at a charging station. That's the promise of true SDVs, and it's an exciting prospect that could revolutionize the way we buy and own our cars. So what's next? We'll be following the progress of these companies closely, looking for signs of innovation and disruption in the automotive sector. And as always, we'll be bringing you the latest news and analysis on the world of electric vehicles at Electro Drive News. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.